Hey, we gotta get that dude. We gotta get that dude behind the right there out. Yeah. Where? Oh, you're out! On your feed neck! Hey! Alright, thanks, Ralph. Only if we got this guy out. Yeah, that's right. Hey, now go, now, go, go, go. Go up to it, go. Thanks, Raph.
Thank you, Raph. No problem. I can't see him.
Oh, Raph, check. Hey, that guy's right in the woods, right, like right here in front of me. My 12 o'clock behind that tree. Yeah, he just wiped it. Hey, who's back there with me?